I don't see Southampton causing havoc, but we don't know our Chelsea recently. For Chelsea, there nowadays is like dollar to the city. Yes, up and down, up and down. They can just surprise you at any time. Apart from that, the Chelsea that we used to know, this game should be like 5-0 game or 6-0 game. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these three important things. The first one, Paul Mason said that if Enzo Maresca doesn't win against Southampton and Leicester City, Chelsea will sack him. Yes. And if you don't know Paul Mason, he is England former player and Arsenal former player, pundit for Sky Sports. By the way, he is Chelsea fan, growing up supporting Chelsea. Yes. So come and look at this. And also, today is the protest, 25th February. We'll come and talk about the protest, guys, and our game with Southampton. I will come out with my analysis on the game, how Chelsea can approach the game to win the game comfortable, and my starting 11 and my score prediction for that game. So please watch this video till the end. And before we continue, please hit the like button for this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. Let's start with Paul Mason. In fact, guys, Paul Mason said that if Enzo Maresca doesn't win against Southampton and Leicester City, he will be sacked. Chelsea will sack him. Yes, because these two teams, they are leading the table. Yes, I mean, they are under the bottom and Manchester United on top of them. Yes, I think Southampton on 20th. Yes, 20th in the league table, Leicester City being 19th. So that is why Paul Mason said that if Enzo Maresca doesn't win against these two teams after Southampton, Leicester City, Chelsea will sack him. And guys, let's talk about it small. Let's talk about it. Should Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca if he doesn't win against Southampton and Leicester City? Well, guys, Enzo Maresca has big problems. And Enzo Maresca has his own problems. In fact, Enzo Maresca is someone, if Chelsea lose games, he is okay. Yes, if Chelsea lose games, he refused to take responsibilities. Yes, to accept that the blame or the mistake comes from him. You would rather see him giving some silly excuses, some silly reasons why Chelsea lose that game. Look at our last game against Aston Villa. The guys did not do anything in that game. But after the game, Enzo Maresca said that the guys gave their all. They play better. Yes, but Aston Villa showed us with intensity in that game. Our players were playing as if they never eat before or they never play football before. But at the end of the day, Enzo Maresca said they play well. So when you look at Enzo Maresca, it seems he's not that level yet. Big team manager, big team coach, or Enzo Maresca doesn't understand the team that he is managing. Chelsea Football Club means winning. Because as a Chelsea manager, when you lose a football game, it's like you lose a battle. Yes, we have to see it from you, from your body. But if Chelsea lose a football game, Enzo Maresca is just okay. And also his mentality. His mentality is so poor. No. Enzo Maresca doesn't have winning mentality in Chelsea. He is telling you and I that we should wait 2 years, 3 years, 5 years to come before we start competing. As if the other teams will be waiting for Chelsea. And it's not first season. He's about to win the Premier League. You are waiting for 5 years, 4 years, 3 years to come. Wait, we'll sack you. You go back to your championship days. Yes. So guys, Enzo Maresca has his own problems, as I said. Should Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca? Should Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca if he doesn't win against Southampton and Leicester City? Let me hear from you under the comment section. By the way, guys, if Chelsea will sack Enzo Maresca today and bring me a lead coach and bring me a coach who is ahead of Enzo Maresca in terms of experience, in terms of winning mentality, in terms of leadership, in terms of man management, Chelsea should sack him today. If Chelsea will sack, or if our owners will sack Enzo Maresca and give me a good experienced manager, leader, man management, a manager who is ahead of Enzo Maresca, and not at the same level of Enzo Maresca or not below Enzo Maresca, I will be okay. They should sack me now, no. Yes. But the issue here is that, guys, if Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca, will they go and sign or give us the manager that we want? Will they go and give Chelsea fans experienced manager, a manager who is ahead of Enzo Maresca? Guys, because we saw it already. When these owners bought Chelsea, first they sacked Thomas Tuchel. Champions League winning manager, they sacked him. After sacking him, they went and hired Porter. After Porter, they went and hired Pochettino. Okay, after Porter, Lampard as interim, Pochettino to Maresca, today's Maresca. So you can see the retrogression. You can see the declining as they are hiring of managers. From Tuchel, Porter, Pochettino to Enzo Maresca. That means when you look at the hierarchy or the level of these owners hiring managers, we are going backwards. So that is my issue. My issue is not about Chelsea sacking Enzo Maresca. But if Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca, will these owners go and bring us a manager who knows football, a manager who is a winner? Because that is the issue here. These owners, since they came in, those who were working for Chelsea, having the football knowledge, having the football experience, they chased them away. They chase them away because they know that these guys, they know the football team. But what we are going to do, they will not accept our opinion, our ideologies. They will not accept Peter Cech and co, our sporting director, our queen, our sharpest, our intelligent marina. They sack all these people who knows football in Chelsea. So that is the issue. That is the issue here. If they sack Enzo Maresca, will they go and appoint experienced leader, a good manager, a manager who is ahead of Enzo Maresca? For me, that is my issue. So, if it is that, if they sack Enzo Maresca, they are going to bring another puppet they can manage, another manager they can control. For that one, let's be patient so that when the season ends, we can see where Enzo Maresca finish. We can then judge based on just sacking him or not. Because what we are seeing from these owners, it will be very difficult. If they sack him, they will bring a manager who is ahead of Enzo Maresca. Particularly mid-season or at the end of this season. No. So guys, I know Enzo Maresca is not at that level yet. Enzo Maresca doesn't have that big team mentality, winning mentality. He can be Chelsea manager. Yes, in the long run going forward. So guys, let's be patient. Chelsea sacking Enzo Maresca this time around of the season, it will be a disaster. Let's be patient. Maybe when the season ends, as I said, we can then judge based on Chelsea sacking him or not. Let's wait Enzo Maresca finish this season. So guys, that is my humble opinion about Paul Mason said that if Enzo Maresca doesn't win against Leicester City and Southampton, Chelsea will sack him. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about it. And let's come to the protest. The protest, the day has come to life. Today is the protest. And as I said, please, those in London, please come out with your numbers. If these owners see the numbers, they will know that we are serious. They will know that we still take our Chelsea as a big team, as they turn Chelsea to a smaller team. So please, those staying in London, please come out with your numbers. Come out and deliver the message to the world. Come out and deliver the message to Chelsea owners and the so-called sporting directors. They should sell Chelsea and go. They should sell Chelsea back to our number one owner, our number one fan, Abraham Movie. His sanctions has been released. Yes, all his sanctions has been released. He can still buy his Chelsea back. I even heard the money is still in the bank. 4.5 billion or 2.5 billion or how much? It's still in the bank. Send to Bole, Clearly Capital money. Send it back to them. Yes, they should go. They can't manage a football club. Football club is not a direct business venture. No. So please, those staying in London, I heard the organization will start at Stamford Bridge. That Bovary Gate. African man call it Bovary Gate. What is the name, guys? Let me see the name. That Bovary Gate, that It is the middle gate in Stamford Bridge. So please, the organization will start there. And the time will be 6 o'clock p.m. UK time. And Ghana time 5 o'clock p.m. and Nigeria time 6 o'clock, yes. And Uganda, Kenya, and Co. I think 5 o'clock also like Ghana. So please, those staying in Europe, ahead, it is visa free. You can travel. So please, come out. Please, if you love Chelsea, if you are a true fan, please support this protest. Support this protest. I wish I can come, but I'm far. My visa is not ready, but I wish I will be there. Maybe next time or in the future, I will come to Stamford Bridge so that I'm going to observe. Maybe if this owners leave, I'll come. Maybe at that time we'll win the Premier League or win the Champions League or win the big trophies. Yes, because since 2017, we haven't won the Premier League. So we have to win it again. And these owners, Badiashile, Disase and Co, Tosin and Co, Liverpool and Co, can win us the Premier League. Even if these players will win Chelsea the Premier League, it will take future years to come. And Chelsea is not that team. Chelsea is not that team. Chelsea is not a building team. In fact, not only Chelsea. See, all the big teams across Europe. Big team, when they call you a big team, you are not a building team. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Man City, Liverpool, Bayern Munich, all the big teams you can talk about in this world. Big team never a building team. You can't use a big team to be a building team. No. So guys, please, those stay in UK, those in Europe, yes, near UK, please, you can come and join the protest. We those staying far will do our best on the internet, on social media. I will see if I can come live today, yes, with the protest, yes, video. So please, maybe around 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock Ghanaian time, please, you can come back to this channel. I will see if I can come live. Yes. So guys, today is the protest, 25th February. So please, your social media handles promote this protest. Yes, promote and support this protest. Hashtag Clearlake out. Hashtag Blueco out. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this protest also. Yes. And let's come to this game, Chelsea-Southampton. This game, I will not say a lot because must win. Even as a team, if you lose form, this kind of games you must use and pick form. Because I don't see Southampton causing havoc, but we don't know our Chelsea recently. For Chelsea there nowadays is like dollar to the CD. Yes, up and down. They can just surprise you at any time. Apart from that, the Chelsea that we used to know, this game should be like 5-0 game or 6-0 game. But as I said, we never know. So this game, whoever is going to start, even if Maresca is bringing our academy guys to play this game, Chelsea must win it. See, if Chelsea doesn't win this game, forget about even top 6 or top 7. We'll go back to 10th position or 11. See, if Chelsea doesn't win against Southampton and Leicester City, forget about Chelsea this season. Just cancel our season. Even Conference League. If Chelsea don't win this kind of games, I don't think we can win the Conference League. Because the team that we're going to play against last season, they were in the Champions League. They play very well. They qualify group stage. Comprehension. So it will not be a walk-through game or whatever. Look at the teams that we could not beat in the Premier League. Some of those teams, Copenhagen is better than them. Yes, I can tell you those teams that we could not beat in the Premier League. Yes, or they are the same level as Copenhagen. So Chelsea-Southampton must win. Chelsea-Southampton, simple and easy game. I am even expecting clean sheet. So guys, not some extraordinary analysis on this game. Just a simple thing to talk about. And this is my starting 11. Georgeson on goal. Tosin and Liverpool World. Chalobah is out. Maresca said he will be out for 10 days or he will miss 4 games. Yes. So my 2 center backs, Liverpool and Tosin, and the full backs, the left back position, Cucurella and Reece James, and the midfield, Enzo Fernandez and Caicedo as usual. The last game, Maresca played James there. It didn't work. The only thing that worked in this game or the last game was Neto being our number 9. Yes. The only changes he made and it worked. So for me, I'm sending Reece James back to his primary position, the right back position, because Gusto forgot about how to play football. Yes, Gusto forgot that he is a footballer. Yes, what Gusto care about is his hair. Yes, for that one, You will never see Gusto hair get dirty or get unshape. Every time that he's playing, he makes sure that he put it into shape as a player. Yes, he don't want to get dirty. So guys, I put Rhys James back to his primary position, the right back position. The last game in the midfield, he could not deliver. Yes. So the two midfielders, as I said, Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez, and the attacking area, Cole Palmer, as usual. Cole Palmer is now becoming frustrated. Enzo Maresca keep on praising him. If Chelsea doesn't get tough, or rumors are saying that Cole Palmer may make a decision to leave. But for me, I'm thinking that maybe next season he will give Chelsea another chance to see, because he's still under contract 9 years or 10 years. How on earth player being on contract? If not Chelsea, where can you see this? Giving players 8 years contract with lower wages, our owners, because they want to make profit in the future. Because as a business or in your business, if you want to make profit, you should reduce your spending. Yes, you should reduce your spending so that what is coming in at the end of the day, you can make exorbitant money, exorbitant profit. When you are not spending a lot, what is coming in at the end of the day, it will be bigger than, or it will be more than the one that you are spending. So that is why they are not giving our players higher wages and be giving them higher contract. 8 years, 9 years. Cole Palmer on 9 years. Yes, recently they renewed his contract and gave him 9 years. Even Cole Palmer is not ending up to 120 million. Yes, Cole Palmer maybe 100, 110 or 95. Yes. So, guys, Cole Palmer at the attacking area and the left wing position, I will put George there. Yes. And the right wing position, I put Neto. In the attacking area, I put Christopher Nkunku. Yes, Nkunku is our player. We are paying him. We must play him. Even if Nkunku is not delivering, it is his responsibility to deliver. It is Nkunku's duty to deliver. He is a Chelsea player. He is our striker. He is better than Jackson. He is better than Nicola Jackson. Nkunku score goals, creating chances. Yes, doing everything that Nicola Jackson. So for me, if I'm Maresca, I'm not benching Nkunku until the world see that this was the reason why Maresca was benching Nkunku every game and be starting Jackson. Some games, Jackson will even play 90 minutes. Some fans will become. See, some players, they are your game. Some players, immediately you even substitute them and you are even winning 3-0. They can equalize it. Because those kind of players, they keep other players in their position. Yes, they keep other players intact. They can't overlap because they are dangerous players. Look at the way Jackson always create that creative runs, putting pressure on center backs. So if Jackson is in our games, opponent center backs can overlap. Yes, they can attack Chelsea. Jackson is keeping them on their attack, on their position. So maybe you are winning 3-0 and the game is getting to an end like 70 minutes and Maresca substitute Jackson and bring in Nkunku. Nkunku is almost like a midfielder or second striker. Nkunku doesn't press. He doesn't be with opponent center back. He doesn't keep them at their positions. They will overlap. And immediately they will overlap, they will put more pressure on you. So that they can equalize the goals that you score already. So sometimes that is why Maresca was not even substituting Jackson. Because as I said, Jackson will keep center backs at their position. They can overlap. Overlap and see. Jackson will make you useless. Even if Jackson cannot score, he will create chance for Cole Palmer to score. Recently, the day Jackson injured up to now, Cole Palmer is no more doing anything for Chelsea because they built that chemistry together, Jackson and Cole Palmer. And now one link is missing. Cole Palmer cannot do anything. So Cole Palmer and Nkunku, it will take some time for them also to build that chemistry. By playing every day, maybe in training, they can build that cohesion and the chemistry. But guys, apart from that, I'm starting on Nkunku as you are seeing on the screen. Yes, and my score prediction for this game, I will say Chelsea 3-17. This game, clean sheet. Clean sheet. Even if Chelsea win this game and no clean sheet, I don't want. By the way, I want the 3 points. But clean sheet. Clean sheet. So guys, that is my starting 11. That is my analysis. And let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your opinion, your thought about Paul Messi saying that Chelsea may sack Enzo Maresca or Chelsea will sack Enzo Maresca if he doesn't win against Leicester City and Southampton and the protest, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And please hit the like button for this video to go far. Take care. Peace.